So this chart is showing you the various kinds of cellular organisms that are out there, as we've seen. We can split up the cellular organisms into the bacteria and the archaea, which are both prokaryotes, so they lack nuclei. Then we have the eukaryotes. The eukaryotes are some kind of combination, seemingly, of an ancestral archaeal cell that got together with what would become the mitochondria. But among these organisms, we have the single-celled as well as the multi-celled eukaryotes. And the plants and the plastids being cyanobacteria, are the organisms that are the main producers, the main fixers of carbon, the main gatherers of physical energy and conversion into chemical energy. The animals, as we'll get to, are the users or consumers of that energy, but we've also got the fungi. The fungi are also eukaryotic cells, and like the animals, they're chemoheterotrophic. What they do is they feed off of the remains of both animals and plants, but actually it's mostly the plants. The fungi, in fact, have not only interactions with plants where they're consuming the plants, but they also have a number of mutualistic interactions with plants or with photosynthetic organisms in general. And in fact, the fungi play three basic roles. They can be disease-causing organisms, they can be mutualistic organisms, or they can live off of dead organisms, in which case they're decomposers. But although they have some of these roles with animals, most of these roles are in fact with plants.